We're constantly told that the secret to glowing, youthful skin lies in expensive creams, lotions, and serums packed with chemicals. But did you know many store-bought skincare products may be doing more harm than good? From artificial fragrances to harsh preservatives, many of these ingredients can irritate the skin and even age it prematurely. So, how can you protect and nourish your skin without the toxic side effects? The answer is simpler than you think. A DIY natural skincare routine. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a skincare routine that's as kind to your skin. It is effective. Step 1. Start with a gentle cleanse. You don't need harsh soaps to clean your face. Gentle, natural cleansers do the job just as well, if not better. Try using raw honey as a cleanser. Its natural antibacterial properties fight acne while moisturizing your skin. Simply apply a thin layer to your face, massage gently, and rinse with warm water for a fresh, glowing complexion. Step 2. Exfoliate naturally. Exfoliating is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Instead of harsh scrubs, mix up a simple homemade exfoliant using ingredients like sugar and coconut oil or oatmeal and yogurt. These provide a gentle scrub that leaves skin feeling smooth without the irritation. Try exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week to maintain fresh, radiant skin. Step 3. Tone with nature's best. Toning is a crucial step in your skincare routine, but store-bought toners are often loaded with alcohol and synthetic ingredients. Instead, make your own toner with natural ingredients like rose water or apple cider vinegar diluted with water. These toners balance your skin's pH, tighten pores, and help remove any leftover impurities, leaving your skin refreshed. Step 4. Nourish with a homemade serum. Instead of reaching for pricey serums, create your own with nourishing oils that suit your skin type. For example, a combination of jojoba oil and rosehip oil can hydrate and repair damaged skin, while tea tree oil can fight acne-causing bacteria. Simply apply a few drops to your face after toning for a radiant and nourished complexion. Step 5. Moisturize with simplicity. A natural moisturizer is essential for locking in hydration without clogging pores. You can use pure aloe vera gel, coconut oil, or a blend of shea butter and essential oils to deeply hydrate the skin. These ingredients are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, offering soothing relief and keeping your skin soft and supple. The secret to radiant skin. Less is more. By simplifying your skincare routine and using natural, DIY ingredients, you'll be giving your skin the care it deserves without exposing it to harmful chemicals. Best of all, your skin will thank you with a healthy glow that comes from within. Ready to ditch the chemicals and embrace natural beauty? Start your DIY skincare routine today and see the difference.